You are listening to I Am Refocused Radio with your host, Shamaya Reed. This show is designed to inspire you to live your purpose and regain your focus. And now, here's your host, Shamaya Reed.
Hey, welcome to I Am Refocused Radio. We are here once again with our best friend, Ms. Dawn Deere, Farmers Insurance Agent, and I just want to welcome you back to the show. It's that time of the month, and we just want to say, how are you doing?
Thanks, Shamaya. I'm so happy to be here. I'm doing fantastic. What about yourself? Like
everybody else, just surviving, staying positive, and just keeping the work flow going. I know you're busy.
All you can do.
Yeah, I know you're busy. So today, I'm just going to have you talk about what does the agent do for the customer?
That's a good question, Shamaya. We get a lot of customers that come through our door, and, we ask the question, when have you heard from your agent last? And, 9 times out of 10, they don't even know who their agent's name is. They don't know the name. They don't know anything about that person. So I do encourage you, go back and just rethink that. Have I heard from my agent? And it doesn't have to be the agent directly. It could be a staff member from that agency, because Lord knows, we can't touch everybody every day. But if you have not heard from your agency or your agent within the last 6 to 12 months, that's something to say. Those agents should be checking in with you. They should be making sure there haven't been any life changes going on that could affect your insurance policies, and making sure that we're always protecting you and your family to the best of our ability.
What's the step process as far as them sitting down with you, or if they're doing social distancing, making a phone call appointment? What's the process of how they get everything broken down for them?
Well, first off, we keep in touch with our customers 1 or 2 times a year. So if you have a 6-month policy, you're going to hear from us twice a year. If you have a 12-month policy, you'll hear from us at minimum once a year. But me and my staff like to really let the customer talk and get to know the process behind what's been going on in their life, ask them some open-ended questions to make sure that they're happy with your agency, make sure they haven't had any negativity or have any problems. We always also like to follow up with claims. If a customer has a claim, we like to check in with them the day after, make sure the claims adjuster is taking good care of them, and then follow up after that to make sure their car was fixed or their home was repaired or, whatever the case may be.
And with all of the things going on right now with the current situation here in Texas, Live Oak, what is the crucial steps that people should be taking right now if they're looking for coverage and insurance?
So there's a lot of people out there that have lost jobs. There's a lot of people out there that have had changes in jobs. They may be looking to lower their premiums. They may be looking to add additional coverage. Just be open and honest with your agent. Make them do their job. Just give them a call or call me, and I'll do my best to help you. And make sure that at the end of the day, we're protecting your entire net worth. We're looking out for the betterment of your family and making sure that your family is protected in the end.
And you're really active in the community where you are. When people are seeing how everyone's kind of banding together, businesses are helping businesses, people are helping people, what message will you give to small businesses as far as how they can stay active in their own community?
We are very active in the community. We like to give back as much as we possibly can. My best advice is get out and meet your neighbors. If you don't know your business neighbors, number one, get out and meet them. It doesn't have to be a sales visit. It's just a visit to say, hey, we're all in this together. How can I help? How has COVID-19 affected you, your family, your business? You never know what type of answers you're going to get. A lot of people don't like talking about themselves or their businesses until they're asked. And so if you don't ask those questions, you're never going to know. But in the end, the best advice I can say is, look, we're all in this together. Let's just be supportive of each other, especially our small businesses out there, our local small businesses. Everybody's taking a big hit. They're not alone, and we want them to know that.
We are talking to Dawn Deere with Farmers Insurance on I Am Refocused Radio. One last question, Dawn Deere. So I'm here and you're there. We're practicing social distancing. We're being safe.
Yes,
someone right now listening and they want to make an appointment with you, what is the first thing that they need to do if your offices are not available right now to go visit physically?
We have several forms of communication. We do have text messaging on our landline at 210-507-2169. We also have email accessibility at all times, Dear, D-E-A-R, at farmersagent.com. However, I'm glad you asked because effective June 1st, which will be Monday, we will be officially opening our doors. We will have face masks available for our customers if need be. We are doing a sterile and thorough cleaning of our office and agency to make sure that we're eliminating any potential spread of COVID-19. But up until that time, today and tomorrow and over the weekend, I am available by phone call, text message, email, and I am in the office physically with the door locked and taking appointments as needed.
And also, if you're listening right now, make sure you go to Farmers Insurance, the Deer Agency on Facebook, give them a like, and make sure you go tell them that you appreciate them. Because so many businesses, so many small businesses, they need you to support them because they support the community. So with that, Don Deere, what else would you like to say before we have you take off today?
I just want to say thank you, Shemaya. That's a good point. Go in and like my Facebook. You know, we do try to communicate very well on Facebook, reaching a lot of people at one time. Come in and see us. Again, we're going to reopen. I guess we should call it a mini grand reopening on June 1st. That's Monday. Stop by. If you heard this podcast, I'd like you to let me know that you know Shemaya. We'll give you a special gift, even if it's just to stop in and have a cup of coffee with us. We'd like to see everybody. But again, we will be opening the Deer Agency on Monday, June the 1st.
That's Don Deere, Farmers Insurance, and you're listening to I Am Refocused Radio. Y'all take care. God bless.
Thanks, Shemaya.